If you've been watching my CES coverage, then you know this show is usually about faster processors, brighter screens, and louder speakers. Today I'm partnering with Lumimind to check out their booth where they're showcasing something focusing on the exact opposite, quieting down the human mind. This is Lumimind, and the device holding the crowd's attention is LumiSleep. On the surface, it looks like a high-end sleep wearable, but under the hood, this isn't just tracking sleep, it's actually a non-invasive brain-computer interface. I've seen a lot of sleep tech over the last several years, but most of it just watches you struggle to fall asleep and gives you a score in the morning. Lumimind claims to actually do something about it in real time using technology backed by the Inside Institute for Neuro AI. Let's take a look at how this works. First, we'll look at the hardware. The immediate problem with most brain-sensing headbands is that they feel like medical equipment. You can't sleep in hard plastic. LumiSleep went the other way. It's built with the pillow-soft, slightly elastic fabric that wraps around the head. The fit is comfortable, and I could definitely see myself wearing this throughout the night. I'm a side sleeper and sometimes sleep on my stomach, so pressure points are usually a deal breaker for me, but this has a fully cushioned over-ear design that actually stays stable when you move. Inside the band, there's a 7-point array of ultra-soft dry EEG electrodes. You don't need gel or adhesives, you just move your hair aside, put it on, and it starts reading signals from your prefrontal cortex. It's surprisingly low profile, but the real story here is the software, specifically something that they call real-time neural coupling modulation. Real-time neural coupling modulation is Lumi's proprietary core technology. Here's the breakdown. Your brain has a specific neural rhythm when it transitions from being awake to being asleep. Lumimind calls this the sleep onset pattern. Most sleep aids are open loop, they just play white noise or meditation tracks and hope for the best. LumiSleep is a closed loop system. It monitors your EEG data in real time, decodes your brain state, and then generates customized audio called authentic beats that adapt millisecond by millisecond. You can think of this like your nocturnal dance partner. If your brain's racing, the audio adjusts to meet you there and gently guides your neural rhythm down toward that sleep onset pattern. It's not forcing your brain, it's listening to it and pacing it. And because it's processing everything on the local chip, you don't need a cloud or phone connection, which is huge for speed. This local low-latency architecture allows the device to respond immediately to the brain's current state, allowing for true real-time neural modulation. When you wake up, the data you get is actually useful because this is EEG-grade monitoring. You aren't just getting a guess based on how much you tossed and turned. You get a full breakdown of your sleep architecture, REM, deep sleep, and light sleep. It even breaks down your sleep onset latency, which is exactly how long it took your brain to switch off. If you wake up in the middle of the night, there's a physical button you can double press to trigger resleep mode, which instantly restarts that real-time guidance to help you drift back off. Look, this isn't a medical device and it's not magic. Real-time brainwave detection is actually a very hardcore technology, but with Lumimind, you can easily see your brainwave activity while gaming or sleeping. At the same time, Lumimind turns this hardcore technology into a gentle, refined, and warm user experience. But if you're interested in where non-invasive neurotechnology is heading, this is the most practical application that I've seen at CES this year. It's rare to find tech that tries to work with your biology rather than just optimizing your productivity. I'm hoping to get a chance to check this out at home, so keep it locked in for a more in-depth look at this awesome tech later on. The new product will be launched in the first half of 2026. That about wraps it up for this one. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. And I'll see you in the next one.